new. For one month. Yes,
Why deleted? I'm not sure what happened, bro. You deleted the set birthday.
Round 2.
Everyone,
hide.
do something.
Wait. Which one? Yes! Bro, what happened? What are you doing, 9-ball? Hey, I try you something. This is a road. And that's why I don't need this road. Well, wait, did it? No, was the
Round 3. Oh my god, it's so very crazy. Oh, just wait. Finally my turn. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Are you okay? Let me see.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey guys, what's your mascaras?
Are you kidding me, guys? We have to swa times.
I don't say times. Are you kidding me? Stop saying slow.
Banana. I don't need that banana. Yes, I don't need this circle. Okay, let's start now.
And finally 4 and 5.
Bro, I think the circle is turning around.
Something's wrong. Round 4, the final win.
Round 4.
Everybody, let's go! Listen me up! Everybody, oh, we're done the Venus. Bro, follow this one. Nana-chan, follow this way. And Luna, follow this way. Everybody, move out. Do you solve this giant robot?
Let the game begin and final is the round 5. Let's get started.
I don't need a round 5. So the game will be round 5 until B will be finished. Plus C7 IQ images every 4. Are you this is round 5? Are you okay?
We can know what is the round 5 is. Finally
Finally, round 5.
is. Everybody listen up!
Move back, everybody, move back. Go, 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 go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, you are winner for finally the game. For thanks for everyone's. Thank you for all the circles. Goodbye and see you soon. Thanks for coming for the survey.